This video will walk you through how to use the portable streaming technology found in various places throughout COCC's campuses. You'll want to start by ensuring the equipment is plugged in, and for the bin location equipment, making sure that the Ethernet cable is plugged in as well. For branch campuses, your streaming equipment will work just with the wireless internet. Next, you'll turn on the PC tower, and you'll use the TV remote to turn on the TV attached to the computer. Sign into the computer with your COCC account, and then you can use the camera remote to turn on the camera atop the TV. Next, you'll want to sign into Zoom and start your meeting, either signing in through the app on the computer or going through Canvas itself. Once you're in your meeting, before students arrive, you'll want to use the test speaker and microphone function to make sure that the speakers and microphone are working. You may have to go through a couple different options to find one that works for you, and that's fine. Here are the settings that worked for us in testing this particular set of equipment, but it may be different for you. You can use the camera remote to pan and zoom the camera to make sure that your students can see what's going on in the class. Once your class has ended, please make sure to turn off all the equipment, including the computer, the camera, and the TV. We hope this video makes the portable streaming equipment easy to use, and as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to us at elearning@cocc.edu. Thanks for watching.